Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So for the first thing, you will have to open the screen which you have to capture, which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then what you have to do is to just press power key and volume down at the same time for about a second, like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time: power key and volume down at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, here at the screenshot album, and here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.